Here you have the Christopher Columbus model, number 106, Herschede 9-tube tall clock. Made in the 80s. And nice strike in the quarter hour, you'll hear it. The Whittington chimes. It also plays Westminster chimes on 4 tubes and the Canterbury chimes on 6 tubes. It's a 9-tube clock, essentially. You have those options. The beautiful weights, a perfect patina, and a nice lyre pendulum. Nice interesting turret corners in the bottom of the case. Big tall pillars. Very clean. I believe it's called a cherry cabinet. It's like a wavy cherry. It's not an easy model to find. Maybe because it was a slightly plainer, but it costs almost as much money as the fancier ones, so there you go. It's an unusual model to find, and here it is in perfect condition. And we also have the original back here, which I took off to show, with your serial numbers, and there's your model number on it. Original cloth sheeting in the back, and there you go. Beautiful clock. We can hear it trick the hours for you, I suppose. We'll strike you out.